Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can download and install Sodium on Minecraft for Minecraft 1.21.11. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser and then you just need to write Sodium Modvariant or Forge, it really doesn't matter. Click the link, go to versions, then select game version and select 1.21.11. Select for Fabric and then download. Save it to desktop or whatever you like. And then what we need to do next is to go to fabricmc.net and press download. Press download for Windows, save it to your computer, exe file. And also you need to download Universal Jar. Save it. Again, I'm saving to desktop, but you can save it to whatever you like. Next thing what we need to do here is to click on first, completely close Minecraft and Minecraft Launcher and press on Fabric Installer exe. Select the latest version here and install. And you should get this message here that's Fabric is successfully installed. If for some reason you do not get this, there is two reasons why. First, your Minecraft is not completely closed, or another reason is that you don't have Java. Then, if you don't have Java, go to Java download and download latest Java to your PC. And after that, after getting this message here, open Minecraft Launcher, and we need to wait for a couple of seconds. Then go to Java Edition, go into Installations, and then look for Fabric Loader 1.21.11. Then press on the folder, drag and drop these Sodium and Fabric files here. Of course, first select mods. If you don't have mods folder, don't worry, just press new and name it mods, and you'll be fine. And after you put these two files, next what you need to do here is to load Minecraft through Fabric Loader 1.21.11 here. So let's do that. Let's wait for a couple of seconds. So we in Minecraft, and if we go on to options, video settings, we can see that Sodium is installed. So that's pretty much it. If I helped you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care.